Hello everyone, Jorge Huertas once again with all of you. Today I'm gonna show you how to develop a issue tree. This video is also available in Spanish. Well, the issue tree is a tool of concept. It got the following characteristics. Allows to understand the cause and consequences of a situation. Is usually used in the phase 1 of a project that is developed with the design thinking methodology. The phase 1 of design thinking is called empathy, which means that you have to understand a situation very well. If you want to argue any situation, you have to have textual quotations. This means that you have to have valid statistics and solid research from any investigation to support any point of view that you have. This tool is not subjective. It's very important to analyze if the situation that you are working with allows to make a deeper research and maybe to make a business from this or a project. It got the following elements: cause, main problem, from main problem comes secondary problem, and finally we have the consequences. This tool is also known as a problem tree. This is the model of a issue tree. So it's divided between perceptible components and unperceptible components. So we start from the top of the tree. Why? Because the consequences are the part that you can see of any problem that you're looking. So you usually see if someone is robbing somebody or someone, you can see that that is the consequence of a problem. After that, you start looking deep to see why is he doing that. Which characteristics have the consequences? There are usually many consequences of a problem. There are many. You have to have empathy for the situation because you are gonna be working a lot in this. So it's really important that if you discover what are the consequences of a problem, you have to have empathy. Otherwise, it will be very different and very difficult to work with something that you don't like. After that, you will find the secondary problems. The secondary problems are usually two or three, and they support the consequences. This means that these secondary problems support why a situation is happening. After that, you can finally have the main problem. The main problem support the whole situation. Sometimes it's perceptible, sometimes it's not perceptible. It depends of the situation, it's not always the same. Which characteristics have the main problem? They are very specific and they are very clear. So when you read it or tell someone, they know what you're talking about. After that, you have the causes. The causes are the most difficult part when you are understanding a situation. Why? Because there are many, and any cause that you find to support a main problem, it has to have textual quotation from a real research, from solid research, or from statistics that you evaluate and they are real. These causes cannot be subjective. This means this is not based on an opinion. If you say that this is the cause of a problem, you have to support and you have to have real and solid support to say this. So always try to find statistics that support whatever you are saying and whatever you think that are causing a problem. These are the parts that have a issue tree. After you finish your issue tree, you will understand the problem that you want to work and their different components. It also evaluates the relevance and generate an interaction. It will allow you to say, okay, I want to make a project from this. Or maybe not. Maybe you say like, no, you know what? I don't like this topic. I want to change. That's okay. That's why you make a issue 3, to understand a whole situation and see if you have empathy. If you have empathy and you really like the things you are doing, that's cool. That's awesome. This means that you can start making a project from this. Otherwise, you will realize that you don't want to work with this, and that's also okay. Finally, you decide which components you want to get deep. It's really important that here you have like a sketch of a situation. So after you realize that, you decide if you wanna still working with or not. Thank you so much. I hope this video was a big help with the project that you are working with. Please subscribe to our channel Design Thinking 24/7. Follow us in social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Every Thursday we will have a new video in English. On Monday we will have a video in Spanish. In our social media we always have new content so you can see it. Hope you like it. We are the #1 channel in design thinking in the whole YouTube atmosphere. So thank you so much, and we will see you next time.